Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Passioknit Kelsie and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Today we're starting our day with a breakfast sandwich and some coffee. Some really fake, great value, hazelnut cappuccino coffee that doesn't taste anything like coffee. Okay, first thing on our agenda today. We sold our Christmas sweater, so I need to pack this up. First, I'm gonna lay it out, give it a nice lint roll. Done with that. We also sold our cat ear beanie, so we can pack this guy up. All orders done. I am going to continue working on the fingerless gloves that I started last night. I am once again changing things. On the main pattern, the wrist ribbing area is 20 stitches wide, and this time I'm doing 15. Just so they're like a little bit shorter. This morning I confirmed that our merchandise is going to be ready today or tomorrow. It's ready. It'll be delivered today or tomorrow, which means that tote bags are going to be stocked as well as sweatshirts are going to be stocked. There will be a limited number of both, so we'll see how that goes. By the time this video is posted, they should be stocked. I also think that my Christmas presents are going to start rolling in. Deliveries, packages. So good thing we set up the tree. We can start wrapping presents and putting them underneath. Now, if you're my family member, this is where you stop watching Vlogmas, okay? No spoilers. After I finish these fingerless gloves, I'm not exactly sure if these are going to be a present for someone or if I'll just put them up on my website. I don't know. I just felt like making another pair, so here we are. But after, I want to start on another Sophie hood. And I'm planning for this Sophie hood to be for someone. Either my aunt, my mom, or my sister. At the moment, I don't have any gifts for my aunt, so it's probably going to go to my aunt, but I don't know. Maybe she'll get these fingerless gloves. Hello? So that's what's up for the day. First, fingerless gloves. Next, Sophie hood. We have actually movie tickets later at 5:30. And possibly waiting for merchandise delivery.
Where are the fingers?
Sir.
You forgot the fingers.
We've had a merch delivery. All right, team. I have finished our first fingerless glove of the day. Woo! Also, as you saw, our merchandise got here and delivered. Very exciting. Usually we go pick it up, but it was so huge. I was like, that's not going to fit in our car. And they were like, we have a van. So they brought it to us. Now, before we go and dive into all of the merch, get it sorted, start folding all the t-shirts and whatnot, I would like to finish our second glove. We can't just stop. Okay, we got to finish. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know what I was gonna say? The glove felt a little long up here. I added 2 rows. I normally like it to stop right over your knuckles. Right? Because otherwise, like, my pinky. Where's my pinky? Oh well, I'll just make sure to do the same number of rows on the other one. Since we got all of our merch and it is still kind of early in the day, I've decided that tonight I will do the members only early access drop for the tote bags. Ever since we came out with the sweatshirts, I've been doing members early access for the merchandise. So on my website, the listing is like password protected, and then I do a members only live on the YouTube channel and I give them all a password. They get to go and put in the password and buy it and not have to worry about anything selling out. It's pretty chill. And it's a nice perk for the members, I think. And then I will do the public drop for the new tote bags probably on Saturday, which I think would be yesterday, because this video comes out on Sunday, the 7th. Vlogmas Day 7. Hello. Can't believe it's been a week. Hope you're having a good time. Guys, I'm gonna run out, which is crazy because I made the yellow ones with this yarn, didn't run out. It felt scarce towards the end, like I had to frog the last 2 rows of single crochet and do them a bit tighter to have a small end to weave in. But what the heck? Also, I made the cuffs like much shorter. I did 15 instead of 20, so there should be like a lot more. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. That's crazy. I've never used this before, unless I'm forgetting, but I really don't think so. What to do? What to do? Well, I guess what I'm gonna do is see how far this takes me. I still have pretty sure 4 more rows until I even get to the thumb hole. I was thinking on this one, since I said I accidentally added 2 rows up here, I could frog that back and use that yarn on the second one, but I don't even know if that's going to be enough, which is crazy. 1 week in, first yarn chicken. Wish me luck. Currently, I am watching the Smosh Games karaoke for the Trevor Project, the Jingle Jam, and it's very fun. It's making me want to do more karaoke. After that karaoke night on Vlogmas Day 1, Caesar was talking about how we should get a karaoke machine for our house. Well, we've made it to the thumb hole, but it looks like we're not going to make it far past the thumb hole. Interesting. I will salvage this in some way. I'm gonna try my best because I don't like wasting time and yarn, and I really don't like frogging. Thumb. Out. Officially. Just started my first row after the thumb hole. So looks like we're frogging and evening them out with the amount of yarn we have left. Oh gosh, this fuzzy yarn is a nightmare. And I already wove my ends in because of course I did. Okay, I'm literally gonna tie this end to this, and as we crochet this will frog. Once they are even, you cut off your yarn. Okay, I think this is what it's going to work out to. They are at an even number of rows, plus I've done 2 rows of single crochet around the top of each, and we have enough yarn to weave in the ends. Oh my gosh. Look at this mega Cheez-It. Okay, let's try these on, see how they look. Pretty good, actually. They still go up to the knuckles, so I am happy with that. It is but 1 row of double crochet less than I would usually do, so yay to another pair of fingerless gloves and another ball of yarn that is no longer in my room. So now it is 3:45. We have movie tickets at 5:30. I am going to first of all take a break because I need some lunch. I'm starving. And then I will spend the rest of my time until we have to leave for the movie theater folding up merchandise, shirts, sweatshirts, restocking, and just like going through everything, making sure we're all set and ready to go. Okay, today for lunch, I'll be having some leftover fried rice with 2 fried eggs on top because that is just kind of my go-to meal. Okay, lunch has been had. Now we are going to grab some merchandise from my garage, bring it inside. I'm going to get my folding pad and fold up some sweatshirts. Ready? Break. I have 30 minutes until we need to leave for the movie theater, so I'm gonna get to folding. I don't think we can do very much, but at least a little bit. I got 30 shirts folded. Now we're off to see the new Jujutsu Kaisen movie. Hey, we have watched the movie, made it home. It was a lot. A lot happens. Jujutsu Kaisen is just like crazy. But anyway, I am about to do a live stream for members only, early access, bags. During the live stream, I will probably work on something. Maybe. But what? Well, I don't even know. If I figure it out, I'll let you know. Yeah. Jada's trying to do Vlogmas. Miss Moon in Heaven. I definitely making Oreo balls because they're so easy, right? You just like smash up a bunch of Oreos and then put a whole thing of cream cheese in there. Cover it with chocolate. And they're so good. I was going to say I'm more of a green mint, spearmint person than a blue mint. But what's peppermint? Is that like a whole different class? Or would you consider peppermint blue? You know what I'm talking about. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Live stream complete. It went really well. The members' early access was fantastic. There we go. Pretty easy, laid back like normal. I folded up some of the tote bags and put them in bags to get ready for packing orders, which I'm gonna have to do. Want to get these out and to you before Christmas. Right now it is 9 o'clock. I don't think I'm gonna crochet or knit anything else tonight. So I guess today was just fingerless gloves. I'm probably gonna grab myself a snack and continue working on packing orders, folding shirts, and stuff like that. Well, guys, it is late now, so that is going to wrap up Vlogmas Day 7. 1 week of Vlogmas. I hope you have been enjoying it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me in the future. That's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!